Alrighty guys, so what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Now today I got an awesome little video for y'all. Before, a couple years ago, I had made this awesome little video about how to bless your vehicle. Now for those of you who are religious, this video can be for you. For those of you who aren't religious, again, this video can also be for you because I'm showing you how I clean my car. And religious or not, having a clean car is good to have because you do feel better when you sit in it. Since I've moved to Florida, I've been here for 2 years going on 3 years, and I have not really gave this vehicle a good cleaning. What I want to do is clean this and bless it since I've moved to this new state. Now usually I like to bless my vehicles once a year, but to be honest, life hits you and I really have never had the chance to fully do those blessings once a year with the vehicle. What I do when I bless a vehicle, it's basically me giving my thanks to this vehicle for providing me and my passengers safety and safe transportation. It's just a way of myself saying thanks, giving back to the universe, so on and so forth. So for a lot of you haters out there who do not agree with this, just keep your comments to yourself. You don't have to like the video, you don't have to watch the video, you can just click off of the video and go on to the next one. But for those of you who are interested and like these videos, please hit that like button in the video. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Tell me if you liked it, and let's just get started. So what we're going to do right now is focus on cleaning the inside and work our way on cleaning the outside. So let's jump right in. Whoosh. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna take a moment here to give our respects for the dead. Apparently we have a frog that died in here, which would explain why my car had a really funny smell that I could not find. Let me show you. There you go. Can you guys see him right over there? We're just gonna call him Froggy. He died. He's there. He's dead. Very interesting. I don't know if to consider that a bad omen or not. Hopefully that's not a bad omen, but we got to get on with the video. So let us just pay our respects to him and put him off into nature where he can either be buried or eaten by something else as nature intended it to be. So Froggy, our respects. Alrighty guys, so now that the car is finally cleaned from head to toe, inside, outside, the next thing that we're gonna do is start with the blessing. So what we're gonna do is I grew up learning to use Florida water. You can use any water you want, holy water, whatever it is. We use this because it looks holy, I think. I really don't know why we use Florida water, but this is what I've grown up learning to use, so it just stuck with me. Really didn't ask questions on that, maybe I should have, but I think it's blessed. So Florida water, here you go, you can always get that. I can find it and leave it in the link in the description for y'all. So what we're gonna do is throw this in a bucket with some water, use a clean rag, and wipe down the entire car again from the inside to the outside, or outside to the inside. It doesn't matter because the entire car is already cleaned. So that is what we're going to do right now. let's get into it. So the next thing that you really want to do is wipe down the entire inside of the vehicle with the holy water or Florida water. We just did the entire car, roof, front, everything on the outside. Now we just have to do the same for the inside. One thing I wanted to mention before doing all of this, while doing it, while wiping it down, always have the best intentions in your head. Always, think positive thoughts. Say a little prayer while doing it. Just good vibes, good blessings, and you should be set. Alrighty guys, so here we are inside the cabin of the car. Now you can get extremely creative with this and do it however you feel. If you want to put on some meditative music, go right ahead. Anything of your choice, anything religious, put it on. Do whatever makes you feel comfortable. I like to light some incense, pass it around the entire car, inside, outside, do my own thing. It's about to rain, so we gotta hurry this up, but I like to say my prayers while I'm in here, while the incense is burning. Obviously, you want to leave a little crack in the window so the smoke ventilates out and you don't die of asphyxiation. But get creative, have the best thoughts. It doesn't matter if you're Christian, Hindu, Buddhist, Catholic, whatever you are, atheist, it does not matter. Even if you're atheist and you don't believe in anything, just having a clean car is good in itself. But for any other religion out there, it doesn't matter what you believe in, what religion you are. At the end of the day, it's all one God. At the end of the day, we're all brothers and sisters. We're meant to treat each other with respect and kindness. So all I'm doing basically is giving thanks to the universe, giving thanks to the universe for providing me with this car, allowing me to get safely from point A to point B, allowing my passengers to be safe, always protecting me, always giving me good vibes in this vehicle, always just overall being thankful for the things that you have in life, and know that things will get better from here forward on. It's always good to do this once a year. Honestly, I slack in that area, but I'm gonna definitely try to start doing this once a year, every year again. And it definitely feels good getting up to this stage, and let's just do what we gotta do. So usually the sayings that I say is, universe, I thank you so much for everything that you have given me in this life. Thank you so much for providing me this vehicle, this transportation from point A to B. Thank you so much for, protecting me and my passengers, always keeping us safe and sound. Thank you for everything that you have done for me throughout the years, and I ask you to continue to give me more years of service. Never allow me to break down on the side of the road. Always allow me to see my way in this vehicle or any other vehicle that I'm in. But thank you so much for everything that you've done for me in this life, and many more to come. Thank you. I ask that you provide blessings to me, provide blessings to my viewers, to anyone else who sits in this vehicle with me and come across in my life. Thank you so much. Amen. And that's all it is. That's all there is to it. I let the incense kind of burn out. What I'm going to do now is pass it on the outside of the car and then leave it inside to completely burn out. Now, caution, definitely keep an eye on this. It's at the end of the day, it's still safety, fire. You don't want to start a fire with anything in here, so just keep an eye in and out. But let's walk around the vehicle and pass it outside. Alrighty guys, so I left it right there on the driver's floor so it can just smoke out completely. Basically, that is all that there is in order to bless your vehicle, or at least how I do it. Now, there is no right or wrong way to do this, and no one is perfect. So you do this how you see fit. At the end of the day, it's your vehicle. You do it the way that you feel comfortable, the way that you think you can pray, because at the end of the day, the Lord up there, or whoever's up there, even if it's the universe alone up there, they gave you the power to connect with them, just like every other individual being on this planet. So here it is, what I did. Completely quick overview. Wipe down the top of the roof, the entire car, with Florida or holy water. Then we ended up wiping down the inside of the entire car with Florida or holy water of your choosing. Then after that, what you want to do is definitely take some incense, put it all inside your car, walk around the entire car, and say your prayers while you're doing it. Give the car a proper blessing. Now, I'm going to take this rain as a sign that my blessings have been accepted. And anytime it rains, that is a great sign. So it's pouring out here. The car has just officially been blessed. Obviously, the incense are still burning on the inside, but I'm here. I'm viewing it. Anything that happens, I do have my fire extinguisher all the way over there in the corner. So I don't think anything's going to happen because I've been doing this a lot. Once you have it on a proper stand, it's on rubber mats, nothing should catch fire there. So you never know though. Always be safe. But other than that, guys, I hope you really enjoyed this quick video and the message behind this video. If you did, definitely leave a like on this video, and also make sure you leave a comment in the comment section below. If you are not a subscriber to this channel, definitely consider subscribing, because we do videos like this, custom builds, and anything else that is coming up in the near future. So guys, I'll see y'all later, and God bless.